Now that we've created our product sheet, we must update the summary sheet. If you are using an earnings-only spreadsheet, this is the final video you have to watch in our Getting Started series. Here on my summary sheet, I have my 2 pre-installed products mentioned. I want to add a new retail product, which is my milk chocolate truffles. I'm going to copy and paste an existing retail product, and I want to make sure it is vertically aligned with all of my products. Now I can update each required cell to connect it to my products sheet. This step can get tricky, so please follow carefully. First, I am going to copy the name of my product tab. Then I am going to start with the name by clicking into the cell. Naturally, I would want to type in my product's name, but we are actually going to update the cell's formula above. I'm going to highlight the existing name between these 2 apostrophes and then paste in the correct product name and press enter or return. The reason I copy and paste the name instead of typing it in is to ensure that the name being entered is identical to my product's sheet tab name. If the name doesn't match, I'll see this reference error and will know there is something wrong with the name I entered. Just above the name cell is the retail or wholesale cell. I'll click it, and using the same method, I'll paste my product's name into the formula. For the image, I'll click into the cell and also paste in the new name. Under my profit column, I'll do the same for the following 4 cells. If you have the fulfillment feature, you'll need to also do the same for the following 4 cells. When you get to the time in hours cell, make sure you update all 3 product names in the formula. And finally, I am going to update the link of my View button by right-clicking the cell, selecting Edit Link, removing the current link by clicking on the X, then selecting the drop-down that says Sheets in the Spreadsheet, and then I am going to choose my products sheet. If after updating the link, the color of the button's text changes, simply select the button cell and click on the text color icon. Choose the white color at the far right. I can now seamlessly move from the summary sheet to my product sheet and back when using the View and Summary buttons. This comes in handy when you have a lot of products in your worksheet. My milk chocolate truffles have now been added to my summary sheet and are fully connected. If you have followed me through this video series up to this point, I congratulate you for adding your first product to your sheet. The heavy lifting is complete. Now that your product is connected, you can make changes to your recipe on the Recipes tab or changes to your product's packaging on the Packaging tab, and both your product and summary sheets will automatically update. If you are using a spreadsheet with the fulfillment feature enabled, I'll see you in our next step.